Okay, the first thing you want to do is you want to pull off these air vent covers. Very simple. If you'll grab it right here, at this corner and pull up with your hands, gently pull up with your hands, and it'll pop right off. Okay, here's the other one on the driver's side. As you see, you just pull up this corner right here. Just get your finger under this corner and pull up, and you'll be good to go. Just gently pull it on up and it'll come on out of there. Okay, next you want to remove your windshield wipers, and the only thing you have to do on your windshield wipers, you've got this little lever right here. And you just simply pull that lever up like that. Just pull it up like that, and your windshield wipers will pop right off. Okay, next you want to remove this panel, and it's held in with the clamps just like the previous vent, so you can just reach under here and you can just get a hold of it and start manipulating it out. And just pull it out. The biggest problem you're going to have is down here, these shafts for the windshield wipers. You're going to have a little bit of trouble with that. You just have to keep working at it and be patient and pull it toward the front of the truck as you remove it. Remember, pull it toward the front of the truck as you remove it, and it'll come on out of there. Okay, I found an access hole right here in the frame. It's just behind your master cylinder. So having that port right there, you don't need to drill any holes. You're just going to bring that around. Then you're going to pull it right through the panel, right there. Once you get a good look at that. Okay, we dummy fitted it, everything. We lengthened the wire accordingly. We've got this wire running through the panel for your driver's side. You've got the wire running through the panel for your passenger side. Also, you might clean out this area with your vacuum while you've got it open. You can see the wires coming through a portal there through the underside. Also, tape your wire down because there is motion in here. You've got your windshield wiper rod apparatus, so be sure and tape your wires to the bottom of the column there just to keep them safely out of the way from any moving parts. Got your panel back in there, and just remember that you've got to get these windshield wiper drives, you've got to let those come through first. So install the panel at an angle. You're coming in like this. Install the panel coming at an angle. Make sure you get those in first on each side, driver's side and passenger side. Once it fits properly, you can tell because your bolt holes will line up. It's that simple. And you can just see that it fits and it's in its correct position. This is flush right here like it should be. You know, you're going to have your final panels that go on. And once you feel like it feels comfortable and snap, just give it a snap right there, right in toward the middle. Give it a snap right there, and you're done. Before you put your panel back on, before you put your vent cover back on, don't forget to put these screws in. Don't forget to screw the screw. These hold the whole panel on, so be sure you have one here and then one on the opposite side also. So don't forget to put those in. Okay, on these mounts that you're putting on the vent covers that are holding these, in my case, these lights are smaller lights. I'm putting them on the vent cover. You've got your wiring access hole right there. Here's your bracket. But you got reinforcement. Alright, this is what it's going to look like after you're finished. There's the driver's side unit installed.